Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Cthulhu, the Cosmic Abyss gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check whether the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update your controller drivers. For that, first you need to connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller and here select enable Steam input and then check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, select use default settings and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search. Now go to settings. After that, click on Windows update and then click on check for updates options. It will check and update your Windows. After that, launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. Next is to remove controller and add it again. For that, go to the Windows search for settings, click on Bluetooth and devices. Here your gamepad will be added. You have to first remove it. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. Once done, now restart your PC. After that, again, once your PC restarts, go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click over here and add your controller and after that check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to check for game updates. You must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check. So here you will be able to see an update option. If there is any update available for the game, update your game and then try to check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to install DS for Windows tool. So for that, either you can search for DS for Windows tool in Google or you can simply copy the link and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, click on the download option and you will be able to download. Here you have to click on download option. Once the DS4 Windows tool is downloaded, you have to install it. After that, connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch the game and then check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. So these are few solutions to fix Cthulhu, the Cosmic Abyss gamepad or controller not working issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.